Hello and welcome back. I am super excited for today's video because not only am I going to be using these awesome cute little flowers I found at the park today, but I'm also going to be playing Would You Rather. And I was chosen to play by Cutie Nails. This is her. She's an amazing and beautiful person. You should go check out her videos and make sure you subscribe to her channel. She puts out amazing content. This is some of her work. So let's get right into the questions. So the first question is, would I rather read minds or would I rather see into the future? And I think I would rather read minds than see into the future. That way I can punch my husband's face every time he's thinking of another girl. Next question is, would I rather sneeze all the time or hiccup all the time? I think I would hiccup all the time because I think it was like sneezing all the time would really hurt my nose. So yeah, hiccup all the time. Next question is, would I rather know when I'm gonna die or would I rather know how I'm gonna die? That's a good one. I think I'd rather know when I'll die. I think I would make better use of my time if I knew when I was gonna die. You know what I mean? I don't know. I think I would rather know that. Next question is, would I rather own a private island or would I rather own a private jet? I am terrified of flying, so I am owning a private island. Next question is, would I rather wear the same clothes for a week or no shower for a week? I think this is an easy one. I think I would rather wear the same clothes and just shower every day. Next question is, would I rather lose sense of smell or sense of taste? I think I would rather lose my taste buds because I don't know, I feel like I like to smell things, like, you know, I like to smell my baby and she smells so good. I wouldn't want to like miss out on that, you know, and like perfumes and stuff. So I'd rather just lose my taste buds. Yeah. Next question is, would I rather never speak again or can't stop talking? I think I'd rather can't stop talking because that would suck to not be able to, you know, talk and communicate. So yeah. Next question is, would I rather be Batman or be Spider-Man? I think I would rather be Batman because I believe that Batman is like the true superhero of all superheroes. Like, you know, he doesn't have any like real powers, so I don't know, I feel like he's the best one, you know, so I would be him. I would be Batman. Next question is, would I rather lose all documents, all like important documents, or all pics that I've ever taken? And this one is an easy one. I would rather lose all my documents because I could always get those back. But pictures, to me, like pictures are really important, especially like my daughter's pictures. So I literally have so many pictures of like the same day just because I feel like pictures are little moments in, you know, someone's life, and I don't know, I treasure pictures like so much. So yeah, I would rather lose all my documents. The next question is, would I stop world hunger or would I stop war around the world? And I think that if you stop war around the world, then we would be able to stop, you know, world hunger. So I think I would, you know, stop war Next question is, would I rather age from the neck up or from the neck down? I think I would rather age from the neck down. I think that I want to keep my memories and all that, good stuff that I keep in my brain fresh. So yeah, I would rather age from the neck down. Next question is, would I rather lose my keys or lose my phone? I think I would rather lose my keys, because then I could use my phone to call my husband and I could get his keys to, enter the house or the car. So yeah. The next question is, would I rather get a paper cut in between my fingers or bite my tongue? I bite my tongue all the time and I'm used to it, so I'd rather just bite my tongue. The next question is, would I rather be too hot or too cold? This is super easy. I'd rather be too cold. I hate being hot. I hate it. I hate sweating. I hate everything about it. And the last question is, pizza every day or never eating pizza ever again? I love pizza. I cannot go without pizza, so I will definitely have pizza every day. Okay, but I actually had lots of fun answering those questions. That was really fun. I can't wait to see if the girls that I've chosen are gonna play. These are the girls that I've chosen to play: Nails by Kay and Lady V Nails. I'm gonna leave my email down below. That way you guys can email me and I can send you the questions if you do want to participate. But yeah, this is it for today, guys. I hope that you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!